Apartment Therapy. I'm Skylar and welcome to my 200 square foot apartment in New York. Prior to living in New York, I lived on a sailboat in North Carolina. So this was definitely an upgrade in size, actually. When I first moved here, I spent about a month without any furniture and just thought about where I wanted to put things and what felt like the most intentional way to set up the space. This apartment doesn't have any type of closet and very limited storage, so I built out a closet and then this other area that essentially serves as like a dresser and then general storage. And then my books are also pretty important to me, so I allotted a good amount of room for them. This up here is my lofted sleeping area. I did add some storage on the end of the bed. One thing that's a little difficult is getting up and down the stairs because of the bike. I didn't have really anywhere else to put it. Dining at a table is really important to me, so I knew I wanted to allot a good amount of space for it, and I also primarily work from home, so I use this side mainly for working, and then this is more of like my dining side. Work-life balance. And then in the bathroom, built a triangular shelf for just a few items, and then in the shower, some storage for shower things. In the kitchen, I added a renter-friendly peel and stick backsplash and then contact paper on the counter. I also changed the knobs on the kitchen cabinets. I call this my couch bench seat. It is the softest place to sit in the apartment. It's really a comfortable place to read a book or do work or sometimes just stare at the ceiling. I really like for everything that I own to remind me of a person, a place, a trip, a special memory. Even like the pottery, for example. My mom also loves that brand of pottery, so when I use it every day, I think of her. I find inspiration from artist homes and art museums. My favorite element of this apartment is how quiet it can be. I find quietness and solitude to be really grounding, and it really allows me to reflect and step foot into the next moment with the best headspace. And although I love the busyness of here, I'm someone who definitely feels like they need a moment to step back from that. When you pare down, you're forced to focus on other things more. I think sometimes too many things can take up more headspace than you realize. And at the end of the day, like, I want my headspace to be more about like, you know, how was I as a human today? Or how did I step into the world? Or like, what did I contribute? And I think when you let go of things, it does allow for less time to think about those things. Home to me is a dependable, safe space, a place to play your favorite song, or a quiet place, a place that you can turn to and let it be what you need it to be.